Hello, everybody. Welcome to the absolute best guide for $30,000 of pure whole life insurance. I'm Chad McMahon with Protect with Insurance, and this is going to be a massive guide. And my goal here with this guide is that this is going to be just an awesome resource for you, for your loved ones. It's going to be everything you need to know about the subject. And it's going to include real prices. It's going to include everything from important information, how to get started, how we save you money, and how we protect you and protect your loved ones better than anyone else. So this is important stuff. If there's anything else you want added to this guide, please reach out to me. It's very important to me that this is thorough and this offers everything that you need. You can send any suggestions, any requests to hello@protectwithinsurance.com, and we will quickly, within 24 hours, we will update this with the information you're asking for. Now, first of all, what is pure life insurance? Pure life insurance is just another term for whole life insurance. Another term, again, is permanent life insurance. So they're all the same thing. It's not a special category. It's just another term that you'll occasionally hear for whole life insurance. And it's called pure and it's called permanent life insurance because it's very, very simple. It's a full coverage policy. And it's something that doesn't go away. It's not going to expire. So that's why it's called permanent. And on the pure side, it's the most common type of life insurance that's out there in terms of whole life coverage. So, for example, anyone past the age of 50, you see a very high percentage of people above that age that are getting this whole life type of life insurance. Now, why $30,000? Why is that the magic number? Well, it's not. It's not the magic number. It's just that it's the preferred dollar amount of coverage for those who can afford it, for people past the age of 50, even past the age of 45. Now, you can go up with a lot of these companies. You can go up to $40,000 in coverage. And there's great pricing on these. But a lot of people, they feel real comfortable with $30,000. So we thought it would be a good idea to create a resource based around that amount of insurance coverage. And again, later on, we're going to have pricing for that based on age and smoking status, as well as gender. And one quick note on that, when you do see the prices later, that's going to be based on typical medical conditions. So if you do have health concerns that you think might disqualify you, might get you declined for coverage, just reach out to us. We'll let you know within about 30 seconds if that's going to be an issue for you. Now, first of all, actual prices, that is way too much information to give in a video. So please go to our website, protectwithinsurance.com, and you're going to see this within a matter of days. This will be uploaded into blog form. And I'm going to be actually manually inputting all of that data in there for those categories. Now, how do you get started? Well, the way that you get started with this kind of thing is assuming that the price is comfortable and the policy is going to help you accomplish your goals, meaning it's going to take care of your loved ones, your beneficiaries, and it's within budget for you. And it does what's needed. Well, then the next step is we submit an application. And either myself or one of our agents would help you through that process. We do all the heavy lifting. You just give us the information that the insurance company needs. We gather that, we put it forth, and then one form or another, you sign off on the policy. Sometimes that can all be done telephonically. Sometimes it requires an e-signature. Sometimes it even requires wet ink from a pen on a signature. So most of these nowadays are the modern way of doing things is e-signature, and we help you through that process to make it really simple. But we submit the application to the insurance company, which locks in your rate and it locks in your coverage. That way you're not impacted by rate changes, things like that. These companies very commonly and regularly increase their costs. That's the way that you lock that in. And then the next step is we see if you get approved. Now, the good news is a lot of these companies are giving instant approvals or declines. So we typically will know while we're talking with you on our first conversation if you're getting approved. If we don't know right away, then we'll certainly reach out to you as soon as we hear back. And typically with this pure whole life style policy, that's within about 2 business days. It's very quick. They have fairly lenient underwriting and there's no medical exam with this kind of a policy, so it's very fast for approval. Now, how can we save you money? The way that we save you money, and we have a great deal of pride in this system, is that we shop like crazy for you. So we look at a whole bunch of these whole life insurance companies and we shop them. You give us your information. We ask you the questions that we absolutely need to know in order to do this accurately. And we shop good companies, which brings us up to the next question of how do we protect you? How do we protect your loved ones? We only look at A-rated carriers. We look at companies that they're going to pay your beneficiaries when they say they're going to pay them, meaning upon your death, and they are financially solvent, meaning they're stable, and they're not going anywhere, theoretically. But these are companies that are solid. They've been in business a long time. They treat clients very, very well, and they're great on the phone. You know, their customer service level is high, and they're going to take care of you. So that is the way to protect yourself, protect your loved ones. You don't want to set yourself up with a B-rated company or a C-rated company. You want an A-rated company, or even better is an A-plus rated. Many of those that we work with, they're all A-rated or above. And that's very, very important. So I hope this has been a good resource for you. Please let us know again what you'd like to see. I'm looking forward to getting the prices inputted into this resource off the website. And stay in touch. Let us know how we can help you. All right. Good luck out there. Take care.